Finding a candidate is easy, but what do you think about finding the right candidate for the job? You put a lot of time and effort into attracting candidates, but how many apply? Probably not as many as you hoped. And after screening resumes and evaluating applications, how many actually qualify for the position? So you interview the qualifying candidates and choose the best one, who then turns you down, at which point you're likely left confused and frustrated. You thought you were almost done with the hiring process, but now you have to start over. That's where SpringRole comes in. It's a blockchain-powered attestation protocol for verifying professional profiles. One of the problems is that endorsements are free. A person is free to endorse an unlimited number of individuals in any category. No weight is given to the expertise of the person that is endorsing. The second problem is that endorsements don't require the other party to accept or reject the endorsement. This leads to spam and users getting irrelevant endorsements in their profile. The SpringRole network tackles these problems head on. In terms of work, any claims about a user's work experience are attested by the concerned companies. Details like duration and job title are written directly to the blockchain. In terms of education, each educational qualification is verified by the university and attested on the blockchain. Information like grades and specialization are optional as well. And in terms of skills, a user's skills proficiency is crowdsourced by weighted endorsements that are given by people in the user's network and by any reputed online courses or certifications they complete. The SpringRole is trying to promote trust among candidates and companies. Sanctioners are the users who validate the claims, and these can be people, companies, universities. Each can verify the claims which is given by candidates. A DNS verification is obviously needed, and this verification will be done by the company. Plus, individuals can earn token rewards during this process. SpringRole wants to become the first checkpoint when a company wants to hire someone, which will be very effective for the job users. SpringRole team has wonderful background, so I would really encourage you to look at the team. They're young, bright and ambitious. The team is led by David Lewis. They have a project manager who has worked in big companies such as Jobs Cha-Cha, Cisco Systems, and there are other software developers and software architects who have worked in high-profile companies such as Hulu. In terms of the token matrix, the ticker is Spring, the token type is Ethereum based, the fundraising is 15.4 million, which is not too big. The total tokens is 10 billion. The availability of tokens for sale is 25.5%, which is quite low. It only accepts Ethereum, obviously. SpringRole is in a position where they can really improve on current solutions, such as those provided by LinkedIn and Upwork. We see people lie about previous work experience and associations all the time, and so SpringRole uses blockchain's numerous benefits to improve all areas of the business model. So they are verifiable, it removes the issue of trust that can surround different resumes, and they have a really big market to exploit. So the job market is huge, and there's not a solid solution for blockchain-based job market. The hard cap itself is not too high. I know they only have 25% for sale, but still it's quite low compared to other ICOs. And the team itself is really young and ambitious, and they have lots of developers who have come from high technical backgrounds. Perhaps the main advantage of using the new platform is that it appears can provide a more balanced and honest approach to the recruitment process. The verification of different credentials should also prove to be quite useful, since it does remove the issue of trust that can surround different resumes. Overall, it looks as if it could be a good way to use blockchain technology that's available while working on a trust basis. For more information, visit springroll.com.